All right, here's another one that was just mentioned over here. ACOL mentioned in the live stream on investorshangout.com/live. ACOL 0046 pushing the upper Bollinger Band. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 solid days of trading here, but the volume's dropped off a little bit here. That is one thing I'm seeing here. I see that we talked about it over here. It looks like around January, or I'm sorry, the beginning of December. I'm going to look right here at 1228. So 1228, I said 0035 hold gap, and you had that gap, okay? So right here, I said hold. You've got a gap. ACOL right here. The day after that, boom, that gap filled. See that? That gap filled. Once that gap filled, what do you see? Takes on off. Good sign. Good sign. So, that. And that, like I said, guys, there's little techniques that I use that really worked well for me when I traded stocks. And you're seeing it right here. I said that gap needs a fill before it moves. And I'm sure if you go back to the video, I said something along those lines, if not that. And you see this gap fill. And over here, the confirmation of breaking that 20-day, and bam, it blows through right through the 30, comes up. Looks like the volume's dropped off a little bit, but you're still plenty into the day. Let's put ACOL on a watch. I think something might be winding up here, guys. ACOL on watch at 0047 on watch. I'm going to put something is up. That's what I believe. 0047. All right. So, Joe, did you have anything to add to ACOL?
Well, since the last time we went over it, they had one press release. It was on January 3rd, 2017. It was Acology announces partnership with Brovita Incorporated. Prior to traveling to Canada this week to conclude business that may dramatically expand
I'm going to
business
be right
throughout
back,
North
Joe.
America. Acology Incorporated announced a partnership with Brovita Incorporated and will begin immediately to place the state-of-the-art patented two-way humidity packs into their signature product, the Med Trainer. And basically just goes on to talk about that. It's basically available in available in multiple sizes and humidity levels. Brovita is the only company in the world that can solve intermediate moisture needs and maintain the ideal humidity content of the items inside containers, whether they be plastic or glass. Brovita is FDA compliant and is manufactured primarily for the natural elements, salt and water. Brovita humidity packs have become one of the key components for cannabis growers and manufacturers in keeping their products properly hydrated. In addition, each Brovita pack also contains a mold inhibitor. With the addition of Brovita pack in each retail and wholesale Med Trainer offered for sale international, the end user can be assured of fresh, properly maintained product. So pretty much they were just announcing this relationship partnership they have with these guys, which will help their product, obviously the Med Trainer, with their distribution. Which I mean, if you go back on their news, they had another press release on. Day was this one. The prior news release on, let's see, November 21st, and that was
Joe, you see what Jobim said in the chat?
what's that?
He said the first line in that news is nice.
Yeah, because I mean, if you go back to the November 21st news, it was Acology revenues advanced following elections. As on that day, they published its 10Q today, and is pleased to report that revenues have increased substantially for the same period last year. The unexpected presidential elections could give Acology's American-made products and service more traction than previously projected. So it goes into all that. I mean, I can pull up the 10Q, but now I have another phone call. All right, hey.
No, that's fine.
I'll be back.
ACOL, you guys. Like I said right here, on watch, something is up. It's pulling back inside that lower Bollinger Band. You might want to wait on this one. On watch, something is up, and let me see. Is maybe pull back to the 40? But I'm just going to keep that on watch. Okay, something is up here. Like Jobim said, there's stuff going on here with the news and stuff. So we'll go ahead and jump right back into this one. Joe is a little busy, but that's perfectly fine. ACOL.